Good afternoon. I am Dr. Satyanarayanan, intervention radiologist working in Kamakshi Memorial Hospital. Today I will be explaining a procedure called GDC coiling of cerebral aneurysm. What are aneurysms? Aneurysms are outpoaching from a blood vessel. It can happen anywhere in the body, right from head to toe. The problem with aneurysm is once it ruptures, it causes massive bleeding. Sometimes it cannot be controlled, and sometimes the body itself takes care temporarily. Once it ruptures, we have to treat it to prevent further rupture. I'll explain one case where we have done endovascular coiling recently in a case of ruptured cerebral aneurysms. There are two treatments for aneurysms. One is surgical, other one is endovascular coiling. Not all aneurysms are favorable for coiling and not all aneurysms are favorable for surgical intervention. So we have to study each case on its merits and then decide which treatment is best for the patient. In this patient, I have done an endovascular coiling for a ruptured left MCA bifurcation aneurysm. This is the left internal carotid artery angiogram. I'll explain what it shows. So this is the IC angiogram, and if you see here, there is a outpoaching here. You see this? This is known as the aneurysm. This is the left middle cerebral artery, which we call as MCA. This is a large aneurysm, and this patient had ruptured 3 months ago. During that time, patient had severe headache and it causes subarachnoid hemorrhage. Patient will typically call it as a worst headache they have experienced in their life. So we have to know that the patient has a ruptured intracranial aneurysm. Okay. This is a pre-procedure angiogram where we see a large aneurysm arising from the left MCA bifurcation. Now I will show the post-procedure angiogram. This is the pre-procedure internal carotid angiogram, which shows this is the left internal carotid artery, this is the middle cerebral artery, which we call as MCA, this is the anterior cerebral artery, which we call as the ACA. This is the large aneurysm arising from the middle cerebral artery bifurcation. This is the pre-procedure angiogram. This is the process of coiling, where you are able to see the coils being placed into the aneurysm. See, the coil mass is moving. So we have taken a microcatheter into the aneurysm and we are placing coils inside the aneurysm. So here you will see this dark line which is moving is the coil. Now I will show the post-procedure angiogram of the same internal carotid artery. The contrast-filled outpoaching, that is the aneurysm which was seen before the procedure, is not at all seen now, and all the branches are filling normally. Other branches. This is the aneurysm which is not seen in the angiogram now. This is the normal branches that has to be preserved and they are filling normally. And probably we have placed 4 coils in this patient inside the aneurysm, and the aneurysm is completely blocked, and now there is very less chance of rupture again, and we have done what is best for the patient, and the patient is ready for discharge after 3 days. This is the advantage with endovascular coiling of aneurysms.